Hi, I'm Mr. iBot. Today, I want to talk about something we all do but rarely think about. How we read. Not what we read. How we read. When you open a page of learning content, a lot is happening beneath the surface. Your eyes scan for structure. You slow down when something is unfamiliar. You speed up through material you already know. You might highlight a sentence or scroll back to reread a paragraph that didn't quite land the first time. These are all signals, small clues about what you understand, what you're struggling with, and what you're looking for. Most learning platforms can only tell us one thing, that you opened the page. That's it. They can't tell the difference between someone who spent 30 minutes carefully studying the material and someone who opened the tab and walked away. For educators, that's a blind spot. And for you as a learner, it means the platform can't adapt to what you actually need. As part of iBot's plugin functionality, we pay attention to how you interact with the page. Specifically, we look at three things. First, your browsing pace. Are you moving through the content quickly, scanning for something specific? Or are you reading slowly and carefully, working through new ideas? Second, where you pause. When you stop scrolling and stay in one place, that tells us something important. A long pause near a code example might mean you're working through the logic. A pause near a definition might mean you're absorbing a new concept. Third, what you select or highlight. When you drag your cursor across a sentence or copy a phrase, you're telling us what matters to you, whether it's a key idea you want to remember or a term you don't yet fully understand. We bring these signals together to build a picture of your reading intent. Not to judge you, but to understand how you're engaging with the material. Are you reviewing something you've already studied? Are you pausing on a concept that feels difficult? Or are you searching for a specific answer? By understanding your intent, the platform can start helping before you even need to ask. It might offer a simpler explanation of a section where you paused. It could suggest a related resource if you revisit the same paragraph. Or it may alert your instructor that many students are struggling with the same part of the material, so they can address it directly. A quick word on privacy. We track how you interact with learning content, not what you do elsewhere. We don't capture keystrokes, monitor other tabs, or record anything outside the page you're studying. The goal is to improve your learning experience, and we take the responsibility of handling your data seriously. Reading is personal. Everyone approaches content differently, and that's a good thing. Our job is to notice those differences and use them to support you, so the platform works with you, not just for you. But knowing what you do on the page is only the beginning. In Part 2, we'll look at what those signals actually mean, how iBot tells the difference between someone who's stuck and someone who's thinking deeply, and how context, like upcoming assessments, changes everything. Thanks for reading, and thanks for letting us help. See you in Part 2.